Ito na nga ang sitwasyon. Pagka bakasyon, ay nako, itong mga apo ko na to ay bored na bored. Kanya-kanya yung mga lalaki, kahit tanghali na, nasa kwarto pa yan. Nasa taas. It's either natutulog o naglalaro na ng games. Ito naman, medyo maaga ito nagigising itong apo ko na to eh. Kaso naglilinis ako, kaya siya sabi niya, pupunta muna ako sa labas, lola, sa backyard. Doon daw muna siya sa backyard. Nagsasalita mag-isa, lol.
Guys, today we're going to be doing live selling, so please help us.
Okay guys, good afternoon. Look at me, I'm so small. You see that, Mimi? I'm small already. I'm dark. Oh my goodness. She is dark. She is brown already. The skin is now not brown. It's like because of too much going to swimming. So by the way, live selling po tayo. Napakababa lang po. It's a low price because we need to have some extra money to give to someone. So we'll start with this one, guys. This one, it's not been used since Mila's not here. Since Mila's not using this anymore. It's what you call this?
For sale?
Yeah, it's a Coach bag. You can use it. You can adjust it. I'm going to sold it for $1 only. $1. Why are you looking at me? $1 only. You're not using it. And then this one is 50 cents. And then this one, like a Crocs bag also. I cannot see. You have to stay in the camera. Why are you laughing? This is only $1. $1 also, $1. With why are you laughing?
Okay.
$1 only, $1. $1.
Mama, why do you keep selling my stuff?
$1 only, okay? And then this one, when you buy bag, we will give this away.
No, don't sell my stuff.
We will give this away with a bag.
No.
And this one never been used, never been
Mama!
touched. This one never been used. I'm going to sell this for $1. What?
Stop selling my stuff.
I told you, I need to get some money.
You already have money. Guys, my grandma is just kidding.
Oh, I'm not kidding. I'm going to sell this out.
No! No! I don't want you to sell my stuff.
No. It's a prank.
Yeah! Hello, guys. Bye!
So pagkatapos nga ng maghapon, eto na hapon na, hindi hapon, alas 6 na yan. Kailangan kong kumain ng alas 6 ng hapon para bago ka matulog, natunaw na yung kinain mo kasi alam mo minsan hindi ka makakatulog pagka masyado kang busog kasi nga ginigiling pa ng tiyan mo yung pagkain mo. So paano ka makakatulog? Busy din sila. So yan lang guys, sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking ulam. Walang lasa. Wala talagang lasa kasi tingnan mo yan, napaka-pale. Pero very healthy yan kasi yan, isda na nilagyan ng gata. Yan lang guys. Thanks for watching.